Chandler sa rivalry ng San Miguel Beermen at Alaska Aces, bubuksan na natin sa linggo ng hapon ito sa loob ng Big Dome.
8 out of 11 field goal shooting. So, hindi nakakagulat that he's starting here in this ballgame.
Including Coach Alex Compton, hindi walang off-season dahil naggilas pa yan.
Totoo yan.
Saka alam mo, when they came off, they were, remember, they were a seeded team and they lost their first game to Global. So obviously, sometimes hindi rin maganda yung nagpapahinga ka ng walang regular competition.
JV Cacho will open up the scoring dito sa Game 1 agad ng Alaska.
Importante because this is their best chance to score a victory dahil wala kay number 1 option ng San Miguel ng offense.
Cabagnot with the leather, puts it on the floor, down to gut of the defense. Alex will finish with the left. That's a 9-0 run by the San Miguel Beermen, forcing Coach Alex Compton and the rest of the Alaska Aces into this early timeout. Malalim yung naging posisyon niya. Here comes Abueva. Eximiniano from Abueva. And that breaks the silence para sa Alaska. This is on that teardrop. Here comes Abueva. Calvin trying to jump it over to Banchero. Ball batted right back to him. No complaints from Coach Leo. Sa harap niya nangyari. Nakita niya, natapik naman daw yung bola.
Yung bola.
In the series against Global Port, and now he scored his first point, 2 points in the first.
But Chris Ross gets right by him over at the other end, re-extending the lead to 5. Banchero, hesitation drive, naipit, alakas kay Abueva. And that triple is good. This is now an 11-4 run para dito sa Alaska. Nanakaw pa sila. Abueva pushing hard. Down to the gut of the defense. Locates Banchero. Cabagnot will push it. Enough time for a Hail Mary. Cabagnot almost at that 3-point line. Kisses it off that glass for 3.
How painful is that? Alaska could have fouled one more time because they were not yet in team penalty.
Espinas, Ross, and Cabagnot. Mag-umargin naman po. Kasama natin si Dr. J. Andy Yao. Andirito rin si Coach Ryan Gregorio at pati na rin si Miss Riza Diaz. Kaagapay syempre ang buong pwersa ng inyong Sports 5 as Cyrus Baguio shoves Alaska back ahead to open up the second frame.
He played well, except from the free throw line. He was 1 out of 5.
Tandaan natin si Espinas, kamakailan lang. Nandiyan yan sa kampo netong Alaska as Tubit will light it up. Hatid po sa atin yan to reclaim the lead. Lassiter surveys. Only 2 points so far para dito kay Marcio. He was scoreless nung sila'y magkita back in the Olymps, but he was coming off a 10-day layoff. Yun yung nag-personal break siya dahil nanganak ang kanyang misis. Abueva boards it. Enough time to get it across.
They have a lot of fouls to give.
Abueva with 2 to shoot. Going to the sidestep. Hindi rin ubra yun. So at the end of the first 24, ang San Miguel po makakapagbaon ng 4 na puntos sa kalamangan. 42-38 ang nasa ating tala.
But the problem is their penchant committing so many turnovers in the first 2 quarters, 13 and only 7 for San Miguel. That has been the difference maker in the first 24.
Yeah, almost
Tubit, thought about it, drives closer. Ang lalim naman
No second line defender for San Miguel.
Tubit buries that long one. At dito na sa shot clock na itong Alaska. RJ in trouble. 5 to shoot. Baguio ulit. One more time para kay Cyrus.
Alaska now making full use of the extra pass.
Oh, but Marshall Lassiter off an extra pass. Being hounded by Eximiniano. Oh, look at Aranya and Eximiniano run into each other. 3 to shoot. Espinas has got to go. The fadeaway is good. The fourth and final quarter is coming up with SMB up by 9.
Nakita kasi nila yung advantage nila pwede sa quickness and 3-point shooting. Yancy can really spread the floor.
This rebound. Barely a minute into the final frame. Manuel down the middle, puts it up and in.
They need more of those. 12
Game 2, baka sa Game 3. But if San Miguel can hold off Alaska here, as Cabagnot locates Lassiter on the Manuel to sa poste. They want to foul Arwin out of this game. Manuel sneaks one through.
That was tough because first he had to contend against his first-line defender. Second, against a secondary defender in
Steal by the
Yancey.
Aces. Hazul looking to capitalize. Goes glass! And the lead of San Miguel is down to 3.
And this is first tinapon nila, 13. Pero nagkaiba na ng istorya dito sa pang-apat na yugto.
Abueva to Banchero. Casio is back on the floor. Manuel from the baseline. That's good!
What a game by Manuel. 20 points.
As San Miguel is trying to cling on to a 2-point lead, Manuel is fouled.
And he fouls out. Arwin fouled out. So, you know, nandun na rin yan eh. Because Gabby was ready to come in. Gabby has played well.
And it's not like Arwin had a good offensive night too. Only 4 points.
Banchero with a leather. Napakaraming 8 sa ating scoreboard. Banchero gets the basket. May kasama bang foul? Gustang oras, etong Alaska. 10 segundo natitira sa kanilang shot clock. Tubit trying to hound Baguio. He's got Yancey off the switch. Baguio trying to go glass. Banchero cleans it up.
Just great not have to shoot.
But the premise is now different. Kanina nung binanggit mo, maglalaro ba si Junmar? Lamang na lamang ang San Miguel. Now you pose the same question. Baka pwersadong maglaro si Junmar because you don't want to be down 0-2 in a best of 7 series.
The Alaska Aces have done it again. The comeback kids claw their way back from 12 points down in the fourth quarter of Game 1. Mananalo sila dito 100-91.